Hello. Welcome to Thailand.
Hello.
Can I have your passport and arrival form, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit to Thailand?
I'm here for vacation.
How long are you planning to stay?
I'll be staying in Bangkok for 3 nights and 4 days.
All right. Have you recently visited any other countries?
Yes, I visited Thailand last year as well.
I see. The maximum stay in Thailand is 30 days. Please comply with the laws and have a pleasant time. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Hello, good afternoon.
Do you have a reservation at the hotel?
Yes, I have made a reservation.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Yungnam.
Thank you. Let me check your booking. Yep, found it. You made a reservation under the name Yungnam for 3 nights and 4 days, right?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Can you provide your hotel voucher and passport for check-in?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. As a precaution for any additional charges during your stay, we are taking a security deposit. The deposit will be returned upon checkout, unless there are any special circumstances. You can pay the deposit in cash or with a credit card. Which one do you prefer?
I will pay in cash.
All right. Here's your room key card. Your room number is 208. Breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. at the outdoor terrace on the 4th floor. The Wi-Fi details are available in your room. Is there anything else you need?
Can I rent a voltage converter and a hairdryer?
Of course. The hairdryer is already available in your room, and here's the voltage converter. Anything else?
No, it's perfect.
Good. Enjoy your time here.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, I'd like to book a hopping-tour for tomorrow.
Sure. Our standard price is 1,500 baht per person.
헐, that's expensive for me. Can we negotiate the price?
Of course. We can offer it for 1,200 baht per person.
How about 1,000 baht per person? Please.
How many people?
Only 2 people.
Okay. 1,100 baht per person. Final price.
Great, thank you. What time should we meet? And what are the tour hours?
Let's meet at 8:30 a.m. at the pier. The tour will run from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Does the price include lunch?
Yes, lunch is included in the price.
Great. Which island will we visit during the tour?
We'll be visiting 3 islands. PP Islands, James Bond Island, and Coral Island.
Do we need to pay any entrance fee for the island?
No, all entrance fees are already included in the price.
Perfect. I will book the tour for 2 people at 2,200 baht in total. See you.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Welcome. How many people?
Hello, I'm alone.
Okay. Here are the menus.
Thank you.
Are ready to order.
Yes, I'd like 1 pad thai and 2 bottles of beer chang. And can you recommend some dish?
Okay. I recommend Tom Yum Goong and Khao Soy and some dum. Tom Yum Goong is best menu.
Okay. I'd like to add Tom Yum Goong and some dum.
Good choices. Anything else?
미네랄 워터 플리즈.
Okay, I'll be right back with your drinks. Here is your drinks. Enjoy.
땡큐. Excuse me, just one dish please.
Okay, here you are.
땡큐. That was delicious.
Thank you. Enjoy your meals.
Excuse me, check please.
Okay, here's the check. It's 430 baht in total.
Here's 450 baht. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Hello. Welcome to New It Thai.
헬로, I want reservation for massage.
What type of massage do you want?
I want dry massage for 60 minutes. How much is it?
60-minute massage is 300 baht. Are you paying now?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me know the date and time of the reservation.
Is it possible around 3 p.m. today?
All right, I checked. Let me know your name to proceed with the reservation.
My name is 철수.
Okay, your reservation has been confirmed. I'll see you at 3.
Thank you. I'll see you later.
Okay, bye.